EZ Loader has incorporated radius searching into both the carrier search and load search features of the system. Starting with the carrier search, you'll see two sections, carrier info search as well as lane search. The carrier info search has some general criteria such as carrier status, maybe the number of power units, and you can now also search for a carrier that has an HQ address within the radius of a certain location. A carrier's HQ address is what's going to be the address in the carrier info card of their carrier profile. Going back to the carrier search, moving down to the lane search fields, you can also search for a carrier that has historically run a lane that meets a certain radius search criteria. So for example here, let's say I want to find a carrier that has an HQ address within 100 miles of Montgomery, Alabama, and has also historically run a load from me within 50 miles of Nashville and a destination within 25 miles of Atlanta. Clicking search, you'll see at the top of the page the different search criteria we have just run, as well as our carrier search results. Here you'll see a number of different information, such as the HQ, you're going to see the email, and then also now you'll see a load history and a lane history. The load history is going to show you how many loads this carrier has run, regardless of your search criteria, and the lane history and the last lane is going to be specific to your search. So in this example, that would be Nashville to Atlanta. You also now have the ability to download your search results to Excel, which will contain the contact email address for the different carriers. Also, you'll notice a drop-down that will expand to show you a map, showing you the results of your search. You can see kind of the HQ radius here around Montgomery, Alabama, as well as our 50 miles around Nashville and 25 of Atlanta. You'll also see an estimated location ping based on the carrier's HQ address. Clicking on that ping, you'll see a number of different data points that also show in the grid below. Moving on to the load search, this is going to work very similar to the lane search within the carrier search, but again, you can select something such as Nashville, Tennessee, we'll do 50 miles, and then we'll do 25 miles again of Atlanta. Clicking on search, again, you'll see your criteria at the top and all the different lanes or historical loads that return based on your criteria. Similar to before, you can edit your grid, your views, and download these results to Excel as well.